Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Disney Plus. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about Disney Plus. In this list here of app info, you will click on Forcestop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.